Let's see how you did. We begin by drawing our double set of parentheses. I know that first times first is going to give me x squared, so I put an x in each of the first positions. And I'm looking for two numbers. And for these two numbers, I want them to add to -4, and I want them to multiply to -12. And we'll do our usual. We'll start with the number 1. Now keep in mind, I'm going to write my list of pairs of numbers that multiply to -12. We'll do that first. And 1 times -12 gives me a -12. 2 times a -6 gives me a -12. 3 is next. 3 times -4 gives me a -12. 4 is next. 4 times -3 gives me a -12. 5 does not divide 12. How about 6? 6 times a -2 gives me -12. And 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 do not divide 12, which brings us finally to 12. 12 times -1 gives us a -12. So I have 6 possibilities, 6 pairs of numbers that all multiply, giving me -12. All I have to do now is to go to each pair, add them together, and see which pair adds up to -4. That pair will be the numbers I'm looking for. So 1 added to a -12 is a -11. No, does not give me a -4, that's out. 2 added to -6 gives me -4. -4 is the coefficient of the middle term. We have it, and we're done. We don't have to check the rest of the pairs in the list. 2 times a -6 is a -12. 2 added to a -6, -4, we got it. So my two numbers are +2, a -6, and we've factored our quadratic. Checking by FOIL, x times x is x squared. Outer's -6x, inner's +2x. -6 plus 2 gives me -4x, and 2 times a -6 gives me a -12.